Hey everybody, Pastor Scott here. I bet you noticed on our website that there is no walkout workshop January, February, March. But if you notice, there is a brand new For My Life workshop in April. So what we've done is we've stopped all the workout workshops. Walkout workshop. See, that's the whole thing. I gotta slow down. If you noticed, we paused all of those. Why? Because we're completely rebuilding the walkout program. What we want to do is create a brand new walkout program that is the practical application of For My Life, that each class in the new For My Life walkout, now I've said it once, I'm going to say it again on accident again, directly related to For My Life. So you understand how you walk out exactly what you learned. Now, it's in April. April's our first one. It's going to be brand spanking new. You're going to want to come check it out. But guess what? You can go ahead and register now. Get it on the calendar. Hit our link below. Come register. And we will see you for the brand new For My Life walkout. There you go. See, I said it right that time. Come April. See you soon.